Fish. What did I hook into? I don't know what this is. It's running. Cuss out right here. Maybe it's got some friends. Hey, good morning, y'all. Welcome to Big Bear Fishing. I got Ezra with me today. We are out here. We're gonna do some surf fishing. We are at Wrightsville Beach. We're up here at what's called Shell Island. We just got done parking. You can pay to park here and then walk out on the beach. You pay hourly or daily. But yeah, we're gonna get out here, do some surf fishing. Hopefully the Spanish are coming close enough that we can catch them on some of these and some of, oh, he's already got his out. Some of these, the big nicks. I forget what brand mine is, but I got a different one tied on. But anyway, we're gonna get out here and hopefully we can catch some. But do me a favor, subscribe, I'd appreciate it, and let's go fishing. All right, y'all, so this water is so clear. It's way too rough out there right now. We're gonna let that die down a little bit. I'm just gonna fish up in here. Ezra's fishing this right over here. The water actually feels pretty good. It's like mid 60s. Gonna fish this spot. See if we see what we can see. Fish. What did I hook into? I don't know what this is. It's running. Cuss out right here. Maybe it's got some friends. Speckled trout, I think. Is it a red?
Oh, you have it up.
Huh? Oh, it's a blue.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, he swiped at it, and yeah, that's not a bad blue right there. Oh, there he goes. You're going the wrong way. Go that way.
Where'd
He
he go?
went that way. There might be a school of them out there though. Yeah, he swiped at it. That's cool. Good way to start the day.
Oh, God, I can smell it from here.
Watch the birds whenever you're retrieving. There's one. What is it? I think it's a blue because it's fighting a little harder.
That's like orange.
Yeah, I think that's a blue. Please. They put up such a good fight. Yeah, it's a blue. Little blue.
Alright. Nice.
Alright, buddy.
Get out of here, buddy. I don't want you. Oh, God.
Go the other way.
He's gotta attack you.
Uh-huh.
Those things are so pretty in the water.
Yeah.
And they're pretty fish in general. They're even prettier in the water. We found them.
Yep. All right, y'all. So I think we might have found a good spot here. We have, so there's a deeper channel that runs out there, but this is high tide. This gets really flat during low tide. But we got a creek mouth right there too, which we're working our way down to. But you know the old adage, you don't leave fish to find fish, so. Oh, he got it. That was more like topwater. That's a decent blue. It's not as big as that first one, but it's decent. He's digging. Ah. But he was digging. Wow, you should see the teeth marks on this.
Really?
Look at that, y'all. Oh, I got hit right away. Right away.
Nice.
I don't know how big it is. It might be bigger.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm working on it. Yeah, it's bigger.
Bigger than all of them?
Yeah.
Is it a blue?
I don't know yet. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that thing is pulling. Look at that. Yeah, he's pulling.
I don't think that's a blue.
All right, that's a blue. That's a good blue. That is a good blue right there. Let me get him up here. That's a good blue. I'm gonna take him up here because last time I tried to get in the water right there, try to get him off, he ended up flipping right in. Look at that. Look how pretty they are. That is like one of the prettiest fish. I swear. All right, blue. Look at the teeth on them. See those teeth right there? Those teeth are just like vicious. No, I'm good, thank you. Wait, right in the corner of the mouth. The hook set couldn't have gotten any better. There he goes. Look at that. So pretty. See the teeth on him? Look at this. See those teeth? His teeth are vicious. All right, buddy. These birds. One little bluefish. Take him out here. Good. Let's get a cinder block release on him. There he goes. Alright y'all, so what in the world kind of minnow is this? Alright y'all, so the tide is actually going out now. So what we're going to be doing, we moved down a little bit. That's where we were catching fish. We moved down a little bit this way, and we're going to fish this section and then just keep working our way down towards the ocean down there. And that, for anybody who's from here or anybody who ever fishes here, that's figure 8 over there. So it's not a secret spot or anything. I don't know if many people fish here. I've never seen a whole lot of people fishing here, but that's what we're going to do. We started there. We're going to work our way down this way. Get one right there. Right there in front of you.
Yeah.
Cool. Blue? Yep. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Need help with it?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
I can't stick on a trap.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's a hard hit right there.
They fight good.
Yeah. care.
See ya. Look, y'all. Ezra caught one. Good one?
I don't know. They're on this ledge.
It's a good blue.
It's a really good blue. Oh yeah, I found them. They're on this ledge right here.
Cool. All right, let him go. There he goes. He's back here.
Oh, okay. Nice.
There goes
Found
the
where they
rain.
are. Oh, that wasn't good.
Nah.
Rumble.
Hey y'all, sorry about the water on the GoPro, but it's raining a little bit. Alright y'all, so Ez is in the car. We are going to go eat. We had a heck of a storm come up on us. We beat it back to the truck real quick. We're gonna go eat something real quick and then we'll come back and fish some more. I bought an all-day pass. It's like $30 to park here all day, which is mind-boggling that you have to pay that much, but it is what it is. So we're gonna come back and get our money out of it. But so far so good. I'm really excited. But we're gonna go eat. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back out here. We're gonna fish this spot right here. Hopefully catch something. Fish on. Yeah. It's not a giant. He's fighting me against the current. That's crazy. Oh, there he goes. There's minnow chunks flying all over the place. There you go, look at that fish. You're almost there. You got it. Freedom. Look at the minnow chunk that just came out. Alright y'all, so basically, all the current you can see is going this way. And Ezra and I are casting up. You know, it's typical like fishing a current. We're casting up and then we're bringing the lure and we're kind of sweeping like that. So we're casting out, just kind of letting it sink a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, and then just working it back. And then when it gets close enough, I'll actually switch over this way and fish like this. They're starting to come up into the They're starting to get up into the cast out there. This is a smaller one. Yeah, it's smaller blue. Look how pretty these things are. Oh, there he goes. Just took a little bit of pressure off of him. He's free! That's a pretty little one, look at that. That's really pretty. Oh, he's gonna get off. Maybe. All right, buddy. All right, y'all, that is it for today. We caught some fish.
Yeah.
Caught some good blues. That was all we caught today were blues. I was hoping we'd catch like some speckled trout maybe too, but
I was hoping for a Spanish.
yeah, I don't know if the Spanish, well, if the blues go up in there, the Spanish probably do. But I don't know, that was a lot of fun. We had a blast today. We're gonna go home and first of all, we're gonna warm up.
Definitely.
We're gonna have the heat there. We're gonna have the heat on in the truck on the way home. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And we'll catch y'all next time.
Take care.